Good morning students. Today we are going to start with the texture of the soil which has been collected from the different sites. This practical includes the practical which has been included in the study of the soil which has been collected from different sites. For this experiment we had collected 3 soil samples from 3 different sites. Now the procedure involves the use of measuring cylinder, beaker, आपके पास जो है next one is the soil, and let us see how this experiment has to be done. First of all, take the measuring cylinder as well as a spring balance. Keep it aside each other. Now when you see this spring balance, see that it is at 0. At the pan wheel, it will show some marks. There will be some weight is added to it. So it is the spring balance is at 0.25. Now I will add 50 grams of soil to it. Let us add it slowly. Now we are going to add it. Soil is added. Let us check the weight of the soil. See, exactly it is at 50 grams. So what we require 75 grams. So add more soil to it. See, now it is at 75. We had taken 50 grams of soil over here. You can directly add it to the measuring cylinder, or you can also add it to the beaker according to your convenience. What I am going to do, I am adding it in my beaker. So slowly I am adding the soil. Make sure that the soil does not fall out from the sides. Now the next step includes the addition of water to this beaker. Take 200 ml of water in the measuring cylinder. Make sure that you do not take the measuring cylinder from the table. Slowly add the water and see the marking or the lower meniscus of the water. You have to check the level of the water. It should be 200 ml. See, now my water is exactly at 200 ml. Slowly add the water from the sides into the measuring cylinder. Mix the soil with the water properly. See, now it is properly mixed. There is no lumps of the soil in it. Add this water to the measuring cylinder. Remember that you have to add it from the center. Make it sure that all soil is gone into this measuring cylinder. Nothing is left back. If it is there, see, in my case there has been some soil left. What I will do, I will take some water back, mix it properly, and then we will repeat it. We will then pour it into the measuring cylinder. If some particles is left, make it sure that you put it over here and mix it right away. Now keep this measuring cylinder undisturbed for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I have already done this experiment for you. After 2 hours, you will be able to notice that the soil forms different layers. You will see the dark layer at the bottom, followed by a little bit lighter layer. Then there is a layer of water above which there is a floating humus. Now, as this experiment, accordingly, it explains that the particles in the soil which has been collected from a site settle down according to the size of the particle. The heavier particle of the sand settles at the bottom, followed by fine sand, then clayey soil, then there is water and humus. Now this settling of this soil particle is according to the particle size. Higher or greater the particle size, the more easily it will settle down due to the gravitational effect. We can repeat the same procedure for sample B and sample C. Note down your results in the table given. Please note the experiment in your practical notebook. Thank you very much.